Hey traders, hope you all having a nice weekend. So as always on weekends I want to give out something valuable for you guys so that you can able to learn and able to trade efficiently. And I got lots of messages from traders that they are having some difficulties with the settings on TradingView platform and the way I give my analysis. They have a little bit of confusions using the tools and what is valid and what is not. So that is why I decided to make this video for you guys so that me and you will be on the same page. In this video I will teach you how to read a valid candlesticks, and I will also teach you how to calculate your risk size and all the settings I have on my TradingView platform and all the settings I have on my Fibonacci tool, so that when I do my analysis we all will be on the same page and you know how to take your trades efficiently, correctly, and using the correct candlestick pattern. So with that being said, let's start with the first pattern we have here. So in trading it is really important that you are reading a candlestick patterns correctly, because based on those patterns we are taking our trading decisions, and if you are looking at the candlestick patterns that are wrong, then that will lead us to take a wrong trades. That is why I wanted to make this video. So let's start with our first candlestick pattern, which is right here, and you must have heard me talking about this candlestick a lot, which is our 382 Fibonacci candle. So right here we have a wrong 382 Fibonacci candle. I know that looks valid to you. By looking at it, it looks valid to anyone who is new to the trading, and for that we have a tool to check if this is a valid 382 candle or not, and that is our Fibonacci tool. So how to check if it is a valid 382 candle or not? For that, you grab your Fibonacci tool. Right on the side you see these 4 lines here. Click on here, click on Fibonacci tool. So right here, once you have your Fibonacci tool clicked, for the bearish 382 candle, you pull up your Fibonacci tool from the top of the wick till the bottom of the wick, like this. So right here we have our Fibonacci tool, and let me show you the settings. You can copy the same settings on your charts as well. Just double click on any of the lines here, something like this. So these are the settings I have got on my Fibonacci tool, which we have a 0, our 382 candle, we have our 50% retracement, we have number 1 here, we have 1.618 retracement, and we have a 25% retracement. So these are the settings, and you can also change the color of these retracement according to your own settings. I have something like this. I have red for my 382 right here, you can see, and you can change the thickness of the lines from here. If you want to make a 382 more thicker, more prominent, then you can change it from here, from the level. So these are the settings I have got for my Fibonacci retracement, and based on these settings I do my analysis and I upload my videos, which you see every single day. These are the settings for Fibonacci. Click OK. So right here you can see we have this first candlestick pattern. Let me remove this Fibonacci again. So now we are checking the bearish 382 candle. For that we pull up our Fibonacci tool. For bearish, from the top of the wick till the bottom of the wick, right here you pull up your Fibonacci tool, something like this, and here you can see the red line is over the body, means this is an invalid 382 Fibonacci candle. For a valid 382 Fibonacci candle, the body must be below the 382 retracement. So let me show you the correct 382 candle. Pull up your Fibonacci tool again from the top of the wick till the bottom of the wick, something like this. So here you can see right here the body is below this 382 line. This 382 retracement means that this is a valid 382 Fibonacci candle, which is a bearish signal. So this is how you check a valid 382 candle. So let's move on to the next one. You must have heard me talking about the pin bars a lot, or a 25% candle a lot. So this is how it looks like. It has a longest wick and a short body and covers only the 25% of the wick, making this a valid pin bar. How to check if it's a valid pin bar or not? Again, pull up your Fibonacci tool. For the bullish candle, you always check it from the lower wick, pull it up to the highest wick of that candle right here. So here you can see, to check if it's a valid pin bar or not, why we call it 25% candle. It has the longest wick and it only covers the 25% of the wick. I hope that makes sense to you. So now you can see the 25% is right here. This retracement is over the body, means that it is a valid 25% candle. This is how you can check it. So let's check an invalid 25% candle so that you know what is not valid. Again, pull up your Fibonacci tool. For the bullish candle, from the lowest wick till the highest wick, right here. So here you can see the 25% retracement is right here, and that is above the body, means that this is an invalid 25% candle. This is more of spinning top candle that has an equal wick up and down, and there's an indecisions between buyer and seller that opens with the same height and closes with the same height. That is more of spinning top candle. And I know that it's a red color. Color doesn't matter, even though if it has a red color, that is still valid as long as the body is above and it has the longest wick below that. So that color doesn't matter. Doesn't matter if it's a green or if it's a red candle. So let's move on to the next one. Right here, what do we have? We have invalid candle. This is a 382 candle. Right here, we had the bearish 382 candle. Here we are looking at the bullish example for 382 candle. So again, with the Fibonacci tool, from the lowest wick to the highest wick, something like this. And here you can see that is an invalid 382 candle, because you can see this red line, this 382 retracement is over the body. A candle to be valid, the body must be above the 382 retracement for the bullish example. And if you remember, for the bearish example, the body must be below the 382 retracement. So now let's check the valid 382 candle. This is now bullish example from the lowest wick till the top of the wick right here. So here you can see the 382 is below the body, making this a valid 382 candle. So this is how you read your candlestick pattern correctly using your Fibonacci tool, which is a very, very important and powerful tool to take your entries as well. And based on that, we take our entries. So imagine if you are taking a 382 entry, I have a strategy for that. And if you are looking at the wrong candle, sometime by the looks of it, it looks valid. But if you check it with the Fibonacci tool, that comes up as invalid. So it's very important you check your candlesticks using your Fibonacci retracement. So these are the settings I have right here. If you want to copy that, you can copy that on your Fibonacci tools. So that's it for the candlestick pattern, guys. Again, in a very short video, I cannot explain every other patterns. This is the basics what I normally use in my YouTube analysis, so that you guys can able to comprehend with me. So right here we have this 50% retracement. You must have heard me talking about in my YouTube videos. Enter on the 50% retracement, and once we hit the 50% retracement, we have a strategy to enter the trade. So this is how we have the 50% retracement on our Fibonacci tool. So let me show you how you can calculate your risk, and there is a tool for that. Let me quickly show you that as well. So right here, if you go on to myfxbook.com, there is a position size calculator where you can check your position size. So this is mainly for forex. We have all the currency pairs right here. So let's take an example of euro USD. You have your account currency in USD. Whatever you want to change it to, you can change it to accordingly. So let's say your account size is $1,000 and you want to risk 2% of your account right here, and you have your stop loss for 30 pips, and your trade size, let's say it's a lot, something like this. So now click on calculate. Right here you have your results. It says you have a risk of $20. In this case, if your stop loss is hit, you will lose $20, or if your take profit will hit, you will make $20. Recommended unit is 6,667 units, which is 6 micro lots. And here you can see it's 0.67 lots. This is how you can check your risk as well. It has the other options here: the currency converter, pip calculator, position size calculator, margin calculator, and right here you have a leverage calculator. So you have everything profit calculator here. If you want to go through that, that is from myfxbook.com. So this is how you can calculate if you are trading on MT4 platform. But if you are trading on TradingView platform, let me show you there as well. So right here on a TradingView platform, if you have an account with Omanda, in that case, how do you calculate your risk? So just click on any currency. Let's say you click here on Euro CHF, and now you want to take your trade, place your long position, something like this. And now in that case, right click on your position tool, click on create limit order. So here you have your limit order screen right up there. You want to go a stop order, you want to place the limit order or market order that will execute instantly. So let's do click on limit order, and you have a risk size here. It just tell you the random risk. It doesn't tell you the exact amount like you have seen on the myfx book. So this is in case you are trading with your TradingView platform. So in that case, you can put like 1 here, 1% risk. You can do 2% risk here, or you want to take 0.50% risk here, which I normally take for my commodities. And this is how you can play around, and then you click buy or sell whatever trades you are taking. So now let me show you how you can place your indicators here on TradingView platform. This is the platform where I do all my analysis. So you have an indicator section right here. Just click on EMA. You can click on EMAs. You have a moving average exponential. So right here, I got my moving averages. So once you have your moving averages on your screen, just double click on it. Styles, you can change it to 50. I normally have 50 and 20 period moving averages on my chart. So what you can do, you can select 20. right? And then you can select 50. So now you have your two moving averages on your screen. So now next thing you need to do is to have your RSI indicator on your charts. The way I have it on my platform, just go to the indicator, click here on RSI, Relative Strength Index. Once you have it on your charts, double click on it and have your settings like this. I have 80 for the upper band, 20 for the lower band, and you can change your lines like this if you want to make it thicker for the upper band, change your colors the way you like. Click that, and then you have this settings like mine. I have black for the upper band, red for the lower band, and then you need to have your ATR indicator. For that, click on indicator. ATR is average true range. That is what you will have. Click on it, you will have that indicator, something like this. Here you can see ATR. You will see that at the bottom of the screen, but what you want to do, you want to click on the up arrow. You click on it, and then you will have your indicator same like I have on my chart. So this is how you have your indicator set accordingly, and you can move it, squeeze it up, or maybe you can push it down according to your own settings. So this is the settings I have. And now what you need to do, you want to keep these settings every time you want to log into your trading view platform. So for that, you click here, you see these four dots here, indicator templates. You might have template written on your screen. Just click here, and then you click save indicator. Then you just name it whatever you want to name it, then you click save like that. So if you click back here, you will have these indicator settings on your chart. So if you want to click on it again, let's say I want to click on my 7 RSI pullback. I have this RSI set on 7 period, and I have a strategy which I trade using the settings. That is how you can pull up your settings. So that is all for this video, guys. I hope you got some value out of this. So please don't forget to hit a like button for me, and if you're new, please hit a subscribe button so that you can also join Money Markets family, so that we can all trade together and efficiently. I wish you a wonderful weekend. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.